Me family na Mama Salone una kusheo na una pikin Lansana Sheriff aka Steady Bongo. I just want to make Sierra Leoneans remember the past 12 years rebel war will destroy Mama Salone. By this time I feel say we all for embrace one another for help for push Mama Salone for make it grow. But we get some people that up till now they don't still understand. One thing I want to tell us Sierra Leoneans, we get for respect ourselves, respect democracy, and accept defeat so that Salone will grow. Anybody who they try for let this country go bien or let this country not grow, inshallah, Papa God, touch them heart so that we all go join hand for build up Mama Salone. No place, no day like Salone. Now the sub-region, Salone are the best. So I love you all. Let us join hand. Let us come together in the interest of Mama Salone. God bless.